Monkey has banana problem. Big banana problem. Uncle Don says 2026 rules change. Monkey can save more bananas now. 401k jungle vault. 24,500 bananas allowed. IRA banana tree. 7,500 bananas. But wait. Many monkeys doing wrong. Wrong move means Uncle Don takes bananas back. Penalty bananas gone forever. Today, Monkey learned simple way. Calculator included. Watch till end. Retirement jungle gets easy. Imagine jungle where monkeys work. Monkeys get bananas every day. Young monkey eats all bananas today. Old monkey has no bananas. Old monkey sad. Old monkey hungry. So smart monkey saves bananas. But where to save bananas? Uncle Don creates special banana vaults. 2 main vaults exist. First vault, 401k tree. Boss monkey helps fill this tree. Second vault, IRA bush. Monkey fills this alone. Both vaults protected from banana thieves. Both vaults grow more bananas over time. Magic, compound bananas. But Uncle Don has rules. Very specific rules. Break rules. Penalty bananas taken away. 401k tree holds most bananas. 2025 rules said 23,500 bananas maximum. But 2026 changes everything. Now 24,500 bananas allowed. That 1,000 extra bananas per year. Monkey works for banana company. Monkey puts bananas in 401k tree. Boss monkey matches some bananas. Free bananas from boss. This is magic. But if monkey is old monkey, age 50 or more, Uncle Don gives bonus space. Extra 8,000 banana slots open up. Old monkey can store 32,500 total bananas. Why? Uncle Don says old monkeys need catch-up time. Old monkeys wasted bananas when young. But if monkey is very old, age 60 to 63 monkeys, special new rule from Secure 2.0 law. Even more catch-up bananas allowed. Super catch-up period. These monkeys get biggest vault space. Uncle Don being generous to almost retirement monkeys. Now, IRA bush rules. Different from 401k tree. IRA bush smaller. 2025 allowed 7,000 bananas. 2026 allows 7,500 bananas. That 500 extra bananas saved. Old monkey age 50 plus gets 1,100 extra banana space. Total becomes 8,600 bananas in IRA bush. But here is trick. 2 types of IRA bushes exist. Traditional IRA bush and Roth IRA bush. What is difference? Traditional IRA. Monkey saves bananas today. Uncle Don doesn't tax bananas now. But later, when old monkey takes bananas, Uncle Don taxes then. Roth IRA, opposite. Uncle Don taxes bananas today. But later when old monkey takes bananas, no tax. 0 tax. Free bananas. Smart monkey thinks, which bush better? Depends on monkey situation. Young monkey has few bananas now? Pays small tax today. Use Roth bush. Bananas grow 30 years tax-free. Rich monkey has many bananas now? High tax bracket today. Use traditional bush. Delay tax to later. But if monkey is rich monkey, Uncle Don blocks Roth bush door. Rich monkeys cannot use Roth directly. Income too high. Singles making over 168,000 bananas? Blocked. Married monkeys making over 236,000 bananas? Also blocked. Uncle Don says rich monkeys don't need tax-free growth, but sneaky monkey finds loophole. Backdoor Roth technique. Monkey puts bananas in traditional IRA first, then immediately converts to Roth IRA. Uncle Don allows this. Legal banana shuffle. Rich monkeys love this trick. Now things get bananas. Many monkeys confused about total limits. Listen carefully. 401k tree has 2 different limits. First limit, What monkey puts in? That 24,500 bananas. Second limit. What monkey plus boss together put in? That 72,000 bananas total. So monkey puts 24,500 bananas. Boss adds 10,000 matching bananas. Still under 72,000 limit. All good. But if monkey is young, under age 50, limit stays 72,000. But if monkey is old, over age 50, limit becomes 80,000 bananas. Catch-up bananas count separate. This is getting ridiculous. But wait, there's more confusion. Some monkeys have both 401k tree and IRA bush. Can monkey max out both? Yes. Different limits apply. Monkey can put 24,500 in 401k, plus put 7,500 in IRA, same year. Both allowed. That 32,000 total bananas saved. But some monkeys get greedy. Monkey tries putting more than limit. 401k tree says stop at 24,500. Greedy monkey puts 25,000. Uh-oh. Uncle Don sees this. Uncle Don angry. Penalty comes. 6% tax on excess bananas. Every year until monkey removes excess. Those 500 extra bananas? Lose 30 bananas per year in penalties. Forever. Until monkey fixes mistake. So employer tracks contributions carefully. But monkey changes jobs mid-year. Monkey had 401k at old banana company. Now new banana company with new 401k. Monkey must track total across both jobs. Uncle Don doesn't care about two employers. Limit is 24,500 total. Monkey responsible for tracking. Let's see different monkey scenarios. Young monkey, age 30. Makes 60,000 bananas per year. What should monkey do? IRA bush perfect. Put 7,500 bananas in Roth IRA. Why Roth? Young monkey in low tax bracket now. Tax cheap today. 35 years of tax-free growth ahead. Those 7,500 bananas. Let's see different monkey scenarios. Young monkey, age 30. Makes 60,000 bananas per year. What should monkey do? IRA bush perfect. Put 7,500 bananas in Roth IRA. Why Roth? Young monkey in low tax bracket now. Tax cheap today. 35 years of tax-free growth ahead. Those 7,500 bananas become 80,000 bananas by retirement. All tax-free. Middle monkey, age 45. Makes 100,000 bananas per year. Boss matches 5% in 401k. What to do? Max out 401k tree. Put full 24,500 bananas in. Boss adds 5,000 matching bananas. That 29,500 total going in. Tax deduction today saves 6,000 bananas in taxes. Plus, free 5,000 from boss. Winning. Old monkey, age 55. Makes 150,000 bananas per year. Monkey wasted time when young. Barely any retirement bananas saved. Panic mode. But catch-up rules save old monkey. Put 32,500 in 401k tree. Put 8,600 in IRA bush. Total 41,100 bananas saved per year. 10 years of this. Old monkey catches up. Retirement saved. Rich monkey makes 200,000 bananas. High tax bracket. Cannot use Roth IRA directly. But rich monkey smart. Uses backdoor Roth technique. Put 7,500 in traditional IRA. Immediately converts to Roth. Legal move. Uncle Don allows. Rich monkey gets tax-free growth anyway. Poor monkey makes 35,000 bananas. Cannot afford maxing out. Monkey stressed. But here is secret. Do what you can. Even 2,000 bananas per year helps. Even 1,000 bananas per year helps. Some bananas better than 0 bananas. Compound growth works on small amounts too. Poor monkey shouldn't give up. Smart monkey makes plan now, not later. Now. January 2026 starts. Monkey calculates affordable amount. Monkey sets automatic banana transfer. Every paycheck, bananas go to vault automatically. Monkey never sees bananas. Monkey doesn't miss bananas. Invisible savings technique. Dumb monkey says, "I'll save later." Dumb monkey spends all bananas today. Dumb monkey reaches age 65. No retirement bananas. Dumb monkey must work forever. Dumb monkey sad. Here is action plan. Step 1. Check employer 401k. Does boss match bananas? If yes, contribute at least to match limit. That free bananas. Never refuse free bananas. Step 2. Open IRA Bush if you haven't. Fidelity Jungle or Vanguard Jungle, both good. Takes 10 minutes. Step 3. Set automatic transfers. First banana deposits happen in January. Step 4. Increase contributions every year. Get 3% raise. Add 1% to retirement savings. To avoid penalty problems, monkey should track contributions carefully. Monkey should check in June. Am I on track to max out? Adjust if needed. Monkey should never overcontribute. Better to undercontribute slightly than overcontribute. Pro tip: HSA Jungle Pot exists too. Health savings bananas, triple tax benefit. But that different video. Focus on 401k and IRA first. 2026 brings more banana vault space. Smart monkeys use this space. Extra 1,500 bananas saved this year. Over 30 years, that becomes 100,000 plus extra bananas. Just from limit increases. Calculator link in description. Plug in your numbers. See your banana future. Like if this helped. Comment IRA if you want Roth versus traditional deep dive. Share with monkey friends who need retirement help. Sometimes retirement planning can get really bananas, but simple breakdown makes it easy. Uncle Don rules seem complex, but monkey brain can understand. Save bananas in right vaults. Follow limits. Avoid penalties. Retire with millions of bananas. Future monkey will thank present monkey. Please subscribe,